passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
Well, good morning. I thought before we go in the garage today, we'd come over here and look at these flowers. Yep, that's looking nice. Okay, let's go get greasy. Alright, looks like we got to move a bunch of stuff this morning because I just kind of threw everything in here last night. Alright, I'll do that and then we'll come back and see what we're going to do. Today's ensemble is provided by Nirvana. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we can slide this together. Man, I hope this works. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, she's in there. Okay, let's just put a little bit of grease. This has all got to come back apart, so let's not go crazy on the grease. That's backwards. Stop it. Stop putting stuff together backwards. Nice and slippery. That sounds dirty. I'm all messy. Alright, where's the... I think I have these backwards, but I could look in the book, but let's just say they're interchangeable. Yeah, let's see. I just want just a little something on there to, you know. Okay, got this ready to go. Trying not to scratch my paint. Trying. All right. That's pretty close. Okay. That seems to be the issue. Aha! Sweating. Okay, we're that far. Oh yeah, and she goes together. Yeah. Okay. And I might as well put some bolts in that because I can't take this apart and finish it until I get the new drive shaft and the new bearing for that. And I'm not waiting that long to have this thing mobile. So I think it's time to clean up some bolts and throw them in that boy. Got it dirty. Oh well. Okay, got our bolts all cleaned up. Yeah, look nice, don't they? I don't paint them. Seems like a waste of time. Have been experimenting with dipping them in boiled linseed oil and then heating them with a torch. I've been doing that with a couple pieces of metal. Kind of turned out nice, so gives it a decent kind of gun barrel type look to it. We'll see. These are just to get it back together. Alright, the bolts need a couple of wrenches. 14. Why do these communist wrenches keep getting in here? Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. There. I think they should go in from this side. Man, it's sweaty out here today. Jeez Louise. Sweat is just running off of me. Okay. See if we can slide this other bearing in there. Oh yeah. Daddy. Let's spray this one up a little bit of slickery stuff. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, feels pretty good, really. Get a hold of this other end and see how she turns. Yeah. Let's see, where's my screwing driver? Spin this ring gear. Okay, it don't spin. That means we got to take a little bit off of that bronze washer. But this part works. Okay, that means we'll bring you over here. Where are we at? Yeah, okay. All that has to come apart again. And I am going to spare you the details. Okay, these bronze thrush washers, which is hard to say fast, need to be sanded down just a little bit. I got one down there too for the other side, and that'll free up the ring gear assembly so it turns nice. That's just the way you do it, I guess. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do that evenly. Ooh, yeah, this ought to be fun. I probably should check and see how much these cost, because, you know, I'm saying there's about a 85% chance I'll be buying another ones of these after I sand these down to nothing. Oh well, let's see what happens. Okay, I took the bronze thrust washers out and I took a few thousandths off of them, and I'm not going to show you how I did that because it was pretty sketchy, and if it works then fine, and if it don't, figure something else out. So I just got to put these bolts back in here, and we'll see how that pinion turn, or that ring gear turns. We'll see if I made any advancement on it. All right, here we go. Day 400. Working on differential assembly. Supplies are running low. Losing the will to live. Oh brother. Alright, well, let's see if we can do some more with this today. I'll tell you, between the heat, the stupid virus, I have to wear a mask everywhere I go. Although when I go to the bank, that's kind of fun. Yeah. We'll see how long I last today. See what kind of demons we can find in there. Yeah. Alright. Let's take this apart for the 10,000th million billion time. And we'll do a little sanding on the thrust washer on this side, because this is about right on this side. And how do I know that? I'm guessing. Alright, let's do it. Cue the camera to speed up. Okay, we're gonna file on this a little bit, narrow it up just a hair. We're getting really close. Oh yeah, this is wrong on so many levels. Yeah, I don't have any tools. You know, there's no torque specifications for a Model T. So, I mean, some guys have made some up for the head. But other than that, just tight is tight and too tight's broken. So, I don't feel too bad doing stuff like this because, number one, it only goes 35 miles an hour. I mean, how bad can it be? And number two, there's probably a, $4 million tool that'll do this, but it's not gonna happen here.